Today, I'm going to show you the feature that is probably my all-time favourite feature in Chrome. Hidden behind a mild-mannered menu item called Create Shortcut is one of Chrome's superpowers that I like to call application shortcuts. If you have a website you use often, you can create a shortcut to that site that behaves like a Windows application, including having its own icon in the taskbar. For example, I use Google's Gmail for my email, and I refer back and forth to my email constantly throughout the day, so I don't want to be having to scan through all my tabs to find the Gmail tab. I want it to have its own icon in the taskbar that I can jump to every time I need it. Now, before you get scared off though, it's not technical at all. In fact, it's so simple, it's crazy. Let's have a look.
So here we are in a nice clean Gmail inbox. All we need to do is go to the menu, up in the corner, select More Tools, and then select Create Shortcut. In the box that pops up, give it a short, simple name, in this case, Gmail. And make sure that the Open as Window box is ticked. And click Create. That's all there is to it. Now if we minimize this and look on the desktop, we have an icon called Gmail. We can double click that and we get our Gmail all in its own window with its own system tray icon. We can now right click on that email, pin it to the taskbar, and even if we close it, it's still there and we can go back to it at any time, click, open it, and it will run. Now, the uses for this are endless. All those web apps that you reference throughout the day can have their own icon. Facebook. I'm just going to remove the number at the start, which tells me how many unread messages I have. eBay. YouTube. Even if I close out of Chrome, all of those icons are there and I can load them up, each in their own separate window. Oops, I missed eBay. There we go.
The uses for this are endless. All those apps that you reference throughout the day can have their own icon. Facebook, email, YouTube, you name it. Many small businesses also run web-based applications for managing clients, bookings, finances, and the uses for this really are endless. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, please leave a comment below and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you.